In this video, we're going to go over 3 ways to inspire your kids to code. The whole coding thing, you want to get your kids involved or yourself, the best thing I can recommend, you can either go to the Apple Store or the Microsoft Store. Both of them offer free full classes for you and your child to go ahead and start coding. Now, the second way you can go about learning how to code or get your kids involved in coding is more self-paced. You can just go online. There's multiple different locations, and I'll click a few things here, several different examples of different websites you can go to. One of them is code.org. You can take a look at code.org. It offers a whole bunch of coding games and ways to get kids involved in most of these are object-oriented programming, so it gives you like these little blocks, and you can go ahead and put the objects and make adjustments so they can get used to the idea of coding. So there's code.org or scratch.mit.edu. It's provided by Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and Scratch is amazing. Like, the things you can learn on Scratch will get them going right away. There are so many different programs there to get them started with Scratch. They have different games that you can make and a bunch of projects. Like, it'll keep them busy for a while. So that's Scratch. Another website you can go to is tinker.com. So if you take a look, Tinker there, that'll also get them started with coding in a self-paced way. Now, if you want to get involved with coding and also working with hardware, another good website, if you take a look at makecode.com. Makecode.com has a bunch of different projects that actually link up to other pieces of hardware like Arduino and a few other things, and it'll get them going with not just coding, but also coding for hardware, which is really invaluable in today's world. I mean, let's face it, we're down to our cars now have programs in them to run. Now, way number 3 is using engaging technology toys that not only show you how to code, but also may incorporate building something as well. And let's get into it. So this is MIP. MIP is developed by WowWee. What I love about MIP is that you can download the MIP app, which is loaded with a lot of games and features to keep your kid entertained. He also has another app called CoderMIP, will allow you and your kid to code MIP to run through obstacles or any functions you like. Both apps are available on the Apple App and Google Play stores. Squad Boy is putting in his final touches to his demonstration, which he's about to run now. Good job, bud. All right, nice.
Wow! That was actually really awesome!
That's what you got so far?
Yeah.
Good job. There are so many ways I can geek out with this one. Meet Kano, the computer kit complete. Kano has many kits in all price ranges. What I love about Kano is that it runs off of the Raspberry Pi computer. The manual and the system make the kit really intuitive. It really sets them up for success. As you look through and go through the pieces here, you'll see that as he plugs everything in, it fits one way, and they even have cable management, which is really ingenious. So it makes a nice, clean, and well thought out setup. It's pretty much what I would do on a desktop computer, which is why I was blown away by it. They also include a USB battery pack, which powers it when they want to go ahead and take it with them on the road. Now I'm going to connect the dongle for the wireless keyboard, and it's almost ready for boot. Here we go. We have already booted the Kano system, so the system is already popular with a lot of our information already, so yours will look way different. Here is everything that my son likes to use. We have the Scratch right there and a bunch of other apps. You also earn awards as you play through the Kano and you go through all the different options they have there. Now we're loading Hack Minecraft, which allows them to go ahead and make some option changes.
Anyway? Oh wow, where have you put it?
Yes. No, don't do it.
If you like what you saw today, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button below. And also, don't forget to click the notification bell. As always, keep learning. Until next time.